Did you know that the average person spends more than 2 hours a day on social media? That's right, 2 hours a day. And what if we told you that you can turn that time into money? With the tips we're going to share with you today, you can start making money online from the comfort of your own home, and even while you're scrolling through your social media feed. In today's video, we're going to talk about something that we all love, making money online. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or someone looking to earn some extra cash, there are plenty of ways to make money online. So, if you're interested in learning about 10 easy ways to make money online, even as a complete beginner, then keep watching. Hello and welcome to WealthWise Web. We are thrilled to have you here and appreciate your support. We hope you enjoy the content we create and find it informative, entertaining, and engaging. Thank you for being a part of our community, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the 10 easy ways to make money online, even as a complete beginner. Number 1. Freelancing. If you have a skill like writing, designing, or coding, you can offer your services as a freelancer and work with clients from all over the world. It's a great way to make money on your terms and choose projects that align with your interests. Plus, you can set your own rates and be your own boss. Sounds good, right? If you're new to freelancing, don't worry. There are plenty of beginner-friendly platforms out there, such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com, where you can find clients and start building your reputation. You can offer simple services like blog post writing, graphic design, or website development and gradually expand your offerings as you gain more experience. Another advantage of freelancing is that you can work from anywhere in the world, as long as you have an internet connection. This means that you can travel while working, or even move to a location with a lower cost of living and still make a good income. So, if you have a skill that you think can be useful to businesses or individuals, why not try freelancing? It could be the perfect way to turn your passion into a profitable career. Number 2. Content creation. If you enjoy creating content like videos, podcasts, or blog posts, you can monetize your content by partnering with advertisers or sponsors. Platforms like YouTube or Twitch allow you to earn money through ad revenue or sponsorships, as long as you have a sizable following and consistent engagement. It's a great way to turn your passion into profit. Did you know that some of the highest paid YouTubers make millions of dollars per year? For example, Ryan Kaji, an 11-year-old YouTuber, reportedly made $29.5 million in 2020 by reviewing toys and games on his channel. And it's not just kid-friendly content that can earn big bucks. Many YouTubers and podcasters in the beauty, lifestyle, and gaming niches have also built successful businesses around their content. Creating content can be a fun and rewarding way to earn money, but it's not without its challenges. Building a following and creating engaging content takes time and effort, and there's always the risk of burnout or losing your audience's interest. However, with dedication and persistence, many content creators have been able to turn their hobbies into full-time careers. In addition to advertising and sponsorships, content creators can also earn money through merchandise sales, affiliate marketing, and crowdfunding. It's a diverse and ever-evolving field that offers endless opportunities for creativity and innovation. So, if you have a talent for creating content and a passion for sharing your ideas with the world, why not give it a shot? Number 3. Starting an online store. Did you know that online shopping has become increasingly popular in recent years, with more and more people turning to the internet to purchase products and services? This presents a great opportunity for entrepreneurs and artists to showcase their creations and sell them to a global audience. Starting an online store has never been easier, thanks to platforms like Etsy or Redbubble, which provide a marketplace for creatives to sell their products. These websites allow you to set up your own shop, create listings, and manage orders, all from the comfort of your own home. One of the benefits of running an online store is the ability to reach customers from around the world. By leveraging social media platforms like Instagram or Facebook, you can promote your products and build a loyal customer base. With a bit of marketing savvy, you can turn your passion for creating into a lucrative business. Whether you're selling handmade jewelry, artwork, or other creative products, starting an online store is a great way to showcase your talent and generate some extra cash. Plus, it can be a rewarding experience to see your products being enjoyed by customers all over the world. Number 4. Affiliate marketing. Want to earn money by promoting other people's products? Affiliate marketing might be for you. You can earn commissions for every sale made through your unique referral link. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online, but it requires hard work and dedication. To succeed, you need to choose the right products to promote, create high-quality content, build your audience, be transparent with your audience, use multiple platforms, monitor your results, build relationships with your audience, and keep learning. If you're interested in affiliate marketing, don't worry, it's not as hard as it sounds. With the right strategy and mindset, you can build a successful online business and earn a passive income for years to come. So why not give it a try? Start by choosing a niche that you're passionate about and focus on creating valuable content that educates, entertains, or inspires your audience. With time and effort, you can turn your passion into profits and achieve financial freedom. Number 5. Online market trading. Online market trading can be a lucrative way to make money, but it's important to approach it with caution. Educating yourself, starting small, diversifying your portfolio, using technical analysis, following the news, managing your emotions, cutting your losses, and learning from your mistakes are all key to success. But if you're willing to put in the work, the rewards can be significant. Imagine being able to make money from anywhere, on your own schedule. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or achieve financial freedom, online trading can be a powerful tool to help you reach your goals. So why not take the first step and start learning today? With the right mindset and strategy, you could be on your way to a brighter financial future. Number 6. Creating and selling online courses. If you have expertise in a particular field, such as simple as cooking, you can use platforms like Udemy or Skillshare to share your knowledge and skills with others. Creating an online course can be as simple as recording a series of video tutorials or writing an ebook, and you can earn money every time someone enrolls in your course. And the best part is, you don't have to be an expert chef to create a successful cooking course. You can create courses on basic cooking skills, healthy eating habits, or even how to meal prep on a budget. The possibilities are endless. Number 7. Social media management. Do you spend countless hours scrolling through social media? Do you know how to create content that engages your followers? Well, if you're a social media whiz, you can turn your skills into a profitable career by becoming a social media manager. Did you know that businesses are constantly looking for social media managers to help them grow their online presence and connect with their audience? As a social media manager, you can help businesses create content that resonates with their followers, increase their engagement, and ultimately drive more sales. But that's not all. Social media management is a flexible career that allows you to work from anywhere, and it can be incredibly rewarding. Plus, some social media managers can earn up to $50,000 or more per year. So if you're ready to turn your social media addiction into a profitable career, become a social media manager and help businesses succeed online. Number 8. Online coaching. Do you have a passion for fitness, nutrition, or personal development? Do you have expertise in a particular field that you want to share with others? If so, you can make money by offering online coaching services. Did you know that the global online coaching market is expected to reach $15 billion by 2025? That's because more and more people are turning to online coaching to help them achieve their goals and improve their lives. As an online coach, you can work with clients from all over the world, helping them to reach their full potential and achieve their goals. You can offer personalized coaching through video conferencing or messaging, and you can even create courses and ebooks to share your expertise with a wider audience. And the best part? You don't need any special qualifications to become an online coach. All you need is expertise in a particular field, a passion for helping others, and the willingness to learn and grow as a coach. Number 9. Renting out your extra space on platforms like Airbnb or VRBO. Are you tired of having an empty guest room or vacation home that's just collecting dust? Well, it's time to put that space to work and start earning some extra cash. By renting out your extra space on platforms like Airbnb or VRBO, you can turn your idle space into a profitable income stream. Not only is it a great way to make some extra money, but it's also an opportunity to meet new people and share your local knowledge and recommendations. Plus, if you're a traveler at heart, renting out your space can be a fantastic way to experience new cultures and destinations without even leaving your home. With the convenience of online platforms like Airbnb and VRBO, you have the power to manage your listing, set your own rates, and even communicate with guests before accepting any bookings. And don't worry about security, these platforms offer insurance and protection against damage or theft, giving you peace of mind while you're renting out your space. So, whether you have an extra room, guest house, or vacation home, don't let it go to waste. Join the growing community of hosts on Airbnb or VRBO and start earning some extra cash while sharing your unique space with the world. Number 10. ChatGPT. Yes, you heard that right. Look no further than ChatGPT, the AI-powered language model that can help you earn money with just a few clicks. With ChatGPT, you can offer your writing or content creation services to businesses and individuals looking for high-quality content. The AI model is capable of generating engaging and informative content in a matter of seconds, saving you time and effort. But that's not all. You can also make money with ChatGPT by participating in language translation projects. As businesses expand their reach to international markets, they need accurate and reliable translations of their content. ChatGPT can help you translate documents and text quickly and efficiently, allowing you to earn money while helping businesses communicate with their global audience. And if you're interested in social media management or digital marketing, ChatGPT can help you with that too. With its advanced algorithms, ChatGPT can generate creative and engaging social media posts and even help you develop effective digital marketing strategies. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for ChatGPT today and start making money online with the power of artificial intelligence. Remember, whether you're freelancing, creating content, starting an online store, doing affiliate marketing, or trading online, the key to success is dedication and persistence. It may take time to see results, but with the right mindset and strategy, you can turn your passion into profits. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning into Wealthwise Web. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new today. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel and turning on notifications so you never miss a video. By subscribing, you'll become a part of our community and get access to exclusive content, tips, and resources that will help you achieve your financial goals. So, what are you waiting for? Join our family today and let's start making money together.